Hi, let's take a look at how to download your Ancestry testing raw data from the Family Tree DNA website in March 2024. First, we need to sign into our account. And after that, the process is really straightforward. So we'll go to the Results and Tools tab. In my case, I've only got autosomal DNA, so I'll go to the autosomal DNA dropdown, and there's the Download Raw Data option there at the bottom. It's going to ask you to read a little bit of privacy data before you download, although you can skip that if you want to. And again, I am not going to bother with the Y chromosome single nucleotide polymorphism or SNP data at the moment. I just want to download the concatenated raw data, which is for all of the autosomal and X chromosome loci. And selecting that option, we'll download a CSV, comma separated value file containing all of these data. That can be opened in basically any spreadsheet program, Numbers, Google Sheets, or in my case, I'll use Microsoft Excel, which takes a second to open because this is a big file. So here we have all of the autosomal SNPs, the reference sequence ID number, the chromosome number, which 0 is meaningless, and the position would be the nucleotide position on the chromosome, and the result column contains the genotype. So if we scroll down until we get to human chromosome 1, here we have the reference sequence ID number, chromosome 1, the nucleotide position. So this is the 72,526th nucleotide on chromosome 1, and the genotype here is an A on both homologs, or both copies of chromosome 1. This individual has an A. We can look for heterozygous positions too. For example, here we have a position where one copy of chromosome 1 at RS2341354 has an A. The other copy of chromosome 1, or the homolog, has a G. So this individual has some heterozygous genotypes and some homozygous genotypes. And if we scroll down, you'll find that we eventually get to chromosome 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. And you can keep scrolling to find the genotypes at all of these different SNP loci, the RS numbers, on all of the human autosomes through chromosome 22. And then we have the XY pair starting at the 613,055th locus that was genotyped. And below that, there are some mitochondrial loci where the chromosome is indicated by not XY, but by MT, the mitochondrial genome. So in total, this data set comprises 613,804 individual loci, although because I, in this case, didn't pay for mitochondrial genotyping or Y chromosome genotyping, those genotypes don't show up in this data set.